You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make new Phantom wallets. My name is Daniel, so let's dive right into the video. So looking here on the screen is my Phantom wallet. I already have an account, but I want to create a new wallet. But let's say you don't have an account. If you download the app from the Play Store and open the app, you're going to be able to see the option of create new wallets or log in. So here, if you already have an account with Phantom and you want to create a new wallet, this is what you can simply do. You can click on your profile at the top left corner like this. Now at the bottom here, you can see add account. If you click on that like this, you're going to see the option of create new wallets. So when you click on create new wallet like this, you're going to see the option of create. You can actually add a name that you want the second wallet to be. And let's say you want the second wallet to be, let's say AppFix. And I'm going to click on create at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that like this, you've been able to create another wallet. If you want to go to that wallet, you can click on your profile at the top left corner like this and tap on that wallet like this. So this is it. You now have a new wallet which is under the previous wallet you have. So this is how simple it is to make a new wallet. But let's say you don't have an account with Phantom. This is what you can simply do. Now I'm going to actually log out from the app entirely. Let me just simply search for Phantom on my settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on storage and clear the data of the app, so that when I go to the app is actually going to ask me to relog into it. So looking here is exactly what you're going to see on yours if you are new on Phantom. So looking here, you can see create a new wallet. You can simply click on that and click on continue with Gmail or continue with Seedface. So you can continue with Gmail and create a new wallet with your Gmail account. So when you click on that, go ahead and select your Gmail like this. You need to set a PIN. So you need to go ahead and set a PIN like this. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on next like this. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and create a username. So this is the username which is available for me here. You can actually create yours. Now let's say I'm going for App Daniel. And the next step I need to take here is to go ahead and click on continue like this. So once you do that, you've been able to create a new Phantom wallet account. Looking here is my account. Clicking on the profile at the top left corner, you can see that this is my username. So this is how simple it is to create a new Phantom wallet if you don't have any before. But if you already have a Phantom wallet and you want to create a new one, you can follow the first method. So this is how simple it is to make a new Phantom wallet. So like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.